and welcome to this tutorial on Arduinos. Today we will be creating a temperature sensor that uses a thermistor and the resistance in the thermistor to calculate and print out the values of temperatures in Celsius and in Fahrenheit. What we'll be using is this. It's called a KY013 sensor, and as you can see it has 3 pins. The S pin is where the top one is where you have your pin reading, the middle one is the 5 volts, and the bottom one is where you connect it to the ground. So it's just a 3 pinned item, and now we simply going to connect it to our Arduino here. So let's just connect them all together. This goes to the ground. This white one here, or middle one, will go to where it says 5V on your Arduino. And this top one will connect to A0. And there we have it. Our circuit is connected. It's quite simple. And now we're just going to connect it all together using the USB cable, connecting cable. It's all shifted around a bit, but the connections are still there. And now we are going to print the values, and how we're going to do that is if we flip over to the code, we can see here we have float thermistor, so we're using a float number, which means it doesn't have to be a whole integer, and then we're going to find a way to convert the resistance in the thermistor to a temperature value, and we do that by using looks quite complicated, but there are lots of these available on the internet. If you want to check, just type it into Google, converting a thermistor into temperature, and then you should get these calculations appearing. So we can just copy and paste that, and then you set it up. So now we want it to print out the values, and we can use serial.begin, and that will print out values. That will print out values on a monitor. And now we're going to print out the values in Celsius and in Fahrenheit. And then we're going to have it printing out those values every 3 seconds. So it's going to take readings every 3 seconds. And we do that by using the serial print function, and then we return Celsius and then whether the value you want, print the temperature. And then we do the same, then we do the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and now we're printing out the Fahrenheit values. So let us upload it. It's compiling down here. You see it's done, no orange warnings. Now we upload it. And then we go to up here, we go to Tools, Serial Monitor, and then this window should appear. And because we've connected it to the wrong pin, it is not a number. But if we do this and connect it to the right pins, we can see that the numbers are now appearing. So let's clear the output. Remember to have this number here match your serial number here. So there we have. I always forget the first couple of readings because it's just getting to know the system. But there you have it. It is your Arduino system here. And that is your circuit. So you have your sensor here, connecting via wires to your Arduino here, and then it's being read through the computer, coming to your output here, and printing the values every 3 seconds. So right now it is saying it is 11 degrees in this room and 52 degrees Fahrenheit, about. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and check out more tutorials on Excel and Python and a couple more on Arduinos on my channel, Analyst Rising. Thank you.